Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys is nandito tayo sa Mendez, Cavite, just around 8 minutes going to Tagaytay, and we have here a property, no, residential farm. So tayo is nagmotor, no, ito yung barangay road, ayan, nagmotor tayo going to this property, ayan siya, no, meron tayo available dito na 6 lots, ayan. So makikita nyo, yan yung may linya ng mga kuryente, ayan, may mga kapitbahay, alright. And here guys, gagawin yung ating concrete road. Diyan gagawin yung ating concrete road entrance. Ayan, ide-develop po yan. And then from here, ayan, from this point, no, yung kalsada, yung mga available lots natin, yung 5 lots na lang na remaining is isa yung nandun. So ito po is magkakaroon dyan ng kalsada. Then from here, gagawin dyan ng kalsada papunta dun. Andun yung isang lot, no. Then yung ibang lots natin, diretso dyan. Then nandun, corner, dalawa. Tapos yung dalawa is inner lot, nandun dalawa. So